Look what we're making tonight. Some homemade onion rings. Simple, easy, and delicious. I hope you enjoy. Oh, hi. Thanks for stopping by. You just caught me making some onion rings. Do you like onion rings? If you do, you came to the right place. So let's get started. All right, so we got 1 cup of milk here. And put that in our mixing bowl. And we're going to add a cup of flour, a teaspoon of salt, all right, and we want some black pepper too. Pepper. Just going to sprinkle some in here. And then we want to put in a teaspoon of garlic. There we go. All right, some paprika. Just want to sprinkle it in there. Just make it nice and red. All right, then I'm going to put in a teaspoon and a half of baking powder. All right. Little extra. All right, and then just a few dashes of the Worcestershire. I don't want too much of that in there. All right. And then we want to whisk that all together. Yeah, that did. Perfect. I don't know why that didn't set up the way it should have. But, all right, now it's perfect. See? We've got it like that. Now, we're going to let this set while we cut our onions. All right, let's chop our onions. I don't have any big onions tonight, so I'm using a little one and like a medium one, but it's going to be fine. It's going to be delish. Here we go. All right, let's cut this up. All right, so we're going to separate them. Let's stick them in this bowl. All right, so let's get started here. I'm going to put these guys in. And, right, that really got thick. I've heated the oil to 375, so that's ready to go. Let's throw these in. All right, and let them work, huh? Oops. Turn them over. Like I said, they really don't take long at all. Alright. Alrighty. Okay, and when you take them off, you want to, that's what I like to do. I like to get the kosher salt and just give them a nice little choop, like that. All right, now I'm going to continue to do this. Okay, so I'm like finishing up almost the last of these. All right, so here's our lovely onion rings. I got lazy and I just like put it together in the batter and threw it in there at the last stages. But this is crunch time. Can you hear that? They're crunchy and delicious. So, make them for yourself. I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you in the next video.